How to download MP3 music from YouTube using the official YouTube audio library. This is the easiest way to download copyright-free music for your videos. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to youtube.com. Sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. Next, click your profile picture in the top right corner and select YouTube Studio. Once you're in YouTube Studio, look at the menu on the left. Depending on your channel, you may see either Audio Library or Creator Music. If you see Audio Library, simply open it. If you only see Creator Music, open it first, then select Go to Audio Library to access the collection of free music. Inside the Audio Library, you can browse or use the search bar to find music by title, genre, mood, or artist. Click the play button to preview any track before downloading it. When you find a song you like, click the download button next to it. The music will be saved to your computer as an MP3 file, ready to use according to the track's license and attribution requirements. And that's it. That's how you can officially download MP3 music from YouTube using the audio library. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick YouTube tips and easy how-to tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.